you know how to check the screen wash level in your truck? My name is Vtor and I'm going to show you how to. Maintaining clear visibility is paramount for safe truck driving, no matter the weather. An essential component of this is your truck's screen wash system. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to check the screen wash level in your truck, ensuring you're never caught without it when you need it the most. Begin by locating the screen wash reservoir. In most trucks, it's conveniently situated behind the inspection front panel in the engine compartment. This is a common setup across various manufacturers because it provides easy access for maintenance tasks. The most reliable method to find the screen wash reservoir is to consult the truck's owner manual. Manuals are model-specific and will provide exact locations and instructions for maintenance tasks. The cap of the screen wash reservoir is typically marked with a windshield wiper symbol. This is a universal symbol that can guide you to the right component, even if you're not familiar with a particular truck model. It's good practice to check your screen wash level regularly, especially before long trips or during adverse weather conditions, to ensure you always have adequate fluid to keep your windshield clear. Clear visibility is key for safe driving, and maintaining your screen wash level is a significant part of it. Stay tuned, because in the next video we'll show you how to top up the screen wash liquid. Thank you for watching. For more tips on keeping your truck in top condition, don't forget to subscribe to Valvoline channel.